That will be a big help for me coming into the team, being able to gel with them more easily.
Brian, mahabol yung Letran, down 4, last 2 minutes, walang kakaba-kaba, you took the shot, you stalk us through that play, and your tendency of hitting the biggest shots for San Beda not only in this game but all season long.
Yung confident na binibigay siguro sa kanila coaches and yung mga teammates ko. Kasi every time na nasa akin yung bola, ako pinapadesisyon nila and thankful ako na na-convert ko yung pira.
Brian, you came in after manalo ng San Beda nung NCAA season 99. But right now, you can call yourself an NCAA champion. Gaano kasarap sa feeling?
What's up, champ? What's up, champ?
Sobrang saya kasi yun nga, dream ko talaga to eh. And siguro lahat naman ng college players dream to na makapag-champion. And yun, sobrang thankful ako na napunta ako dito and marami ako natutunan. And ngayon, champion na rin ako.
Brian, nung Final Four kayong dalawa ni Janty yung laging leading scorers for San Beda, but for Game 2, ikaw nag-step up. Siguro, paano mo tinake yung challenge nung pagiging first option for scoring for San Beda?
Hindi ko nga in-expect eh na
Iniwan na tayong lahat, nakadalawa na tayo.
ako puputok ako ngayon eh and yung mindset ko lang having this game na talagang depensa ako and ayun, thank you na na-shoot ko yung mga tira ko.
Brian, last season, final set. And mag-pro ka na rin next year. Siguro paano madadali itong pagkapanalo ngayon? Pagiging final set mo as you move into
Yun nga, hindi ko naman na-expect eh. Bonus nga lang para sa kanya. And yung dadalhin ko siguro yung mga natutunan ko kay Coach Yurs and sa mga teammates ko. And yun, nag-enjoy muna kami. Tsaka namin city na rin.
Coach, 2-time champ. Bakas to.
Just thankful for the hard work the players did all throughout the season. Yes, last year was really a struggle for us. But hats off nga sa players, of course the leaders, Yuki, Brian, Jimmy, and the other veterans, Joe, for stepping up this year. For really, taking on the mantle of leading this team back to the championship. Nanood lang ako sa kanila. And they're the one who really wanted this championship. Yuki stayed for one more. Sabi ko nga kay Yuki, iniwan na kami ng lahat. Kami na lang dalawa na iwan. At least nakadalawa na kami. And this is not just the team, but also the program. The support of MVP and Boss Ricky. Of course, the support that I get from the TNT coaching staff. So I'm very grateful for all of them, very grateful for the players. Of course, my coaching staff, this wouldn't be possible without them also. So tulong-tulong na lahat at sa buong season, like sa pag-interview, may tiwala lang kami sa isa. Yun lang ang meron kami itong season na to.
Coach, I think the story of the finals was the third quarter. First game, you limited Letran to 5 points, and then ngayon, pumutok naman kayo 28-14 the third quarter. And just talk about, ano yung napag-uusapan nyo at that time that makes your players so good coming out of the break, Coach?
Sabi ko nga, these players really show character. And this is of course developed throughout the years, of course, with the losses and the wins, all the experiences we've been through. And they just showed character today, that they really wanted to win. They never gave up. They really locked down defensively and listened. And sabi ko nga si Brian matigas ulo pero malakas loob. So, talaga, this is really a product of their hard work.
Coach, nung ni-recruit nyo ba si Brian, nakita nyo nang capable siya mag-deliver ng gantong performances sa big games?
Of course, I know him from FEU. We knew we needed to fill in the spot that Tony left. If Tony didn't leave, we wouldn't get Brian because of course I don't want to overlap yung recruitment namin. But we needed Brian when Tony left, and I got more than more than a replacement. I got more than yung replacement na iniisip ko. I wouldn't say better, but champion na siya ngayon. So, thank you, Coach. Tiwala.